Hi Wildcats, it's Mimi again here at Sutter Dining. Today, let's make some crepes. Now crepes are an easy thing. I got my favorite recipe from Jacques Pepin. He's one of my favorite chefs. He's an old-timey chef. This is a great little recipe. So all it is, a third cup of flour, 1 egg, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, and a half a cup of milk. So what you're going to do is you're going to add a little bit of milk to that dry ingredients first. Mix that up. Mix it up. What you're doing is you're getting it mixed up so that you can add the rest of the liquid so you don't get lumps. We don't want lumpy crepes. So mix that really good and then add the rest of your liquid. Okay, Wildcats, here we are at the stove. Here at Sutter, because of the COVID, all of our gas has been turned off to conserve money. So now I'm using a little at 20. It's just a little Bunsen burner. So I've heated up my oil, or butter, or coconut oil, or whatever it is that you would like to use. This is a combination of a safflower oil and a coconut oil. So I've got it nice and hot. It's about a tablespoon. I'm gonna pour whatever I have left over back into my batter. I got it really hot. Stir it back up. And now we're gonna make a crepe. Ready for the technique? Put it in one spot, swirl it around, swirl, swirl, swirl. Give it a nice little shake. Put it back on there. It should just take a couple minutes. Use your fork. Make sure you don't burn yourself. Cooking, we're cooking. See how nice that looks? And flip it over. Look at that. So that's how to make a crepe. So inside that crepe, you can fill it with anything you want. Berries, meat, fish, you name it. Make your own and have fun with it. Okay, Wildcats, see you next time. Don't forget to wash your hands.